This episode of My Two Satoshis is brought to you by AdBank Network's newest software called Blade. Blade is a revolutionary ad blocking software that earns you ADB tokens while browsing the web and simultaneously blocking all other ads. Visit www.blade.software to learn more details and download their Chrome extension. Find the link in the description below. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. What are we playing today, people? Oh my God. It is June 8th, 2019. John Hill, you are a fool. He requested Thong Song by Cisco. I need to do a disclaimer, like, the songs requested on my channel do not represent Crypto Blood in any shape, form, or fashion. But he wanted to play this song today. So, hey, John Hill, there you go. I guess thank you for the song request. I don't know. I'm going to leave that up to the audience to figure that out. But what's good, people? Hope you guys are doing well today, and welcome to another episode. And today we're going to look at an article from CoinSpeaker about an ECB policymaker that commented on the Facebook Libra coin. He says it's just too dangerous. And hearing these types of comments and, you know, actions from other agencies around the world, even in the United States, them having hearings, I think it was one either today or tomorrow, just supports my thesis about the Facebook Libra coin being a threat to central banks around the world. So we're going to take a look at this out of CoinSpeaker. Also out of Cointelegraph, another article kind of pertaining to Facebook's Libra coin. China central banks are developing their own digital currency in response to the Libra coin. We're going to take a look at this article. I thought this was pretty interesting. So let's see what they're looking to do here. It's been rumors about this for many months now, maybe over a year. So the rumors are starting to look like they might be true. And lastly, the article I was not able to get to in the last episode of My Two Satoshis, XRP, why they are the worst performing top cryptocurrency in the first half of 2019. We're going to take a look at that in a second as well. But first, let's check out that heat map. Bitcoin going crazy today, up 5% to $12,173.85. Ethereum is up as well, up to $310, and Litecoin up 1% to $120. EOS is down today, however, to $5.91, just shy of 1% at the moment. Bitcoin Cash doing pretty well today as well, up 1.35%. to $416.25. So of course I did not save this chart drawing from the other day. Somebody on YouTube told me it looks like a John Madden play call. Definitely. So I guess I'll just redraw it. Boom. That's the A, B, C, and this is all D. So I'm just going to label this really quickly. A, and you know, this kind of goes further down, but B, C, and then D. Again, if you guys aren't familiar with this, these are the Elliott wave counts. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, and then A, B, C, D on the correction phase of the move of any particular asset. This is normally what happens, people. So this is where I think we are in this segment of the wave, and D normally looks to eclipse the whole move down from A all the way to C. So we should see that. We're testing critical levels right now at what's this, 12,417 area. So we got to get above that. But as I told you guys the other day, and I'm going to just use a different color here, but you know, this, and this area is what I called an inverted head and shoulders. So that's where we are with things. Though that is typically a bullish signal. So, you know, I think that we're going to go ahead and continue on with that trade higher here. Facebook Libra is just too dangerous, says ECB policymaker. And again, guys, I've told you this definitely supports my thesis about how these global central banks, whatever you want to call them, powers that be, they do not like this Libra coin. It says just recently the European Central Bank has yet again commented on Facebook's Libra project, and now they are saying that it's too dangerous and regulators need to improve the way they work. So this policymaker just commented on Facebook's Libra coin, saying that financial regulators must act fast regards to this issue. And in general, the Libra shouldn't be allowed and that it's too dangerous. He believes that financial regulators need to act fast upon these tech giants' financial projects, as they might potentially harm the monetary system. There you have it. What did I tell you? This is exactly what I stated when they came out with the announcement about Facebook's Libra coin. It's out of the question to allow them to develop in a regulatory void for their financial services activities because it's just too dangerous. He goes on to also say we have to move more quickly than we've been able to do up until now. Since Facebook announced its Libra project, many policymakers have acted very harshly addressing this revolutionary-like project of Facebook. There are three main financial regulators in the UK working together on ways how they can respond to this matter. The Governor, Mark Carney, has commented that the Bank of England approaches Libra with an open mind but not an open door. This sentence itself describes how central banks along with regulators are looking at Libra. Yeah, that's a good idea, but we won't let it happen, sort of style, they say. I agree. Also, Washington has even ordered to halt the development of the project in order to deal with the profound questions that it raises. David Marcus, who is the executive leading the project, will testify this month regarding the initiative. According to Bennett, he believes that the development of digital currencies such as Libra and others simply points out to the failures of the banking system to develop and adopt new technologies. Wow. He says all of these projects are a rather useful wake-up call for regulators and public authorities as they encourage us to raise a number of questions and might make us improve the way we do things. Article goes on to say, for many, this project seems like a great new technological breakthrough which could potentially help millions, if not billions of people to solve their financial incapabilities. Central banks think this threatens the stability of the financial system. And I actually reported on this one from the FSC, which is the Korean Financial Services Commission, which revealed that they are looking into possibilities that might occur if 2.4 billion Facebook users worldwide transfer 1/10 of their bank deposits to Libra. They said in this scenario, banks' solvency would diminish along with their loan reserves, and that would represent the threat to emerging markets, which capital would reallocate out of those countries. There you have it, people. This is what I told you guys the first day we heard about Libra officially dropping. I said this is not a good look and is a complete threat to the global central bank systems. What do you guys think? Now that you see this, now that you've seen a couple of these central banks and financial authorities come out about the Libra coin, do you think they are really behind this, or do you think this is an actual threat to their system? Remember, everything is not good guys, bad guys. There are bad guys that don't like each other too. Just remember that. Let me know in the comments below, and we'll have that discussion. And why not keep this Libra theme going on? Let's check out this one out of Cointelegraph about China's central bank developing their own cryptocurrency in response to Libra. It says that China's central bank is reportedly developing its own digital currency in response to Facebook's Libra, as the latter could purportedly pose a risk to the country's financial system. The South China Morning Post reported on July 8th. Wang Zi, director of People's Bank of China Research Bureau, argued that if Libra is widely used for payments, cross-border payments in particular, it would be able to function like money and accordingly have a large influence on monetary policy, financial stability, and the international monetary system. Wang said that the bank decided to create its own digital currency specifically because of the unclear role of the United States dollar once Libra is issued. Wow. Did you guys hear that? I'm going to go ahead and repeat that. Wang said that the bank decided to create its own digital currency specifically because of the unclear role of the United States dollar once Libra is issued. Wow. That's profound, people. That is profound. So they think that the Libra could actually threaten the US dollar. So if they think the Libra is going to threaten the United States dollar, why would the United States allow the Libra to be issued in any form or fashion within its borders? Let's use common sense, people. So the article goes on to say, as such, the PBOC purportedly received approval from the Chief Chinese Administrative Authority, the State Council, to begin work with other market participants and institutions on central bank digital currency. Notably, the PBOC's plan to develop its national digital currency come at a time when China has taken a hard line toward cryptocurrency trading, with financial institutions banning Bitcoin trading, initial coin offerings, and crypto exchanges. As reported earlier today, PBOC's blockchain trade finance solution processed over 30 billion yen, or $4.36 billion in foreign exchange transactions since its inception. There you have it, guys. This is fresh off the press about 26 minutes ago. I'm shocked. I didn't read this article, so I didn't even know that Wang said this about the US dollar being possibly threatened by Libra. This is big news, people. And last article that I was not able to do on Saturday was about XRP being the worst performing top cryptocurrency in the first half of 2019. It says first half of 2019 brought good times for cryptos in general, and particularly Binance Coin. XRP, though, eked out relatively meager gains. The third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization closed at 39 cents on June 30th, representing a 12.4% gain for 2019. Opening price was 35 cents as seen on January 1st, 2019, according to the data from CoinMarketCap. While not terrible by any normal means, the double-digit price gain pales in comparison to Binance Coin's staggering 424% rise. The seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap, BNB, is the exchange native token used for various purposes, including paying trading fees on Binance platform. Its price rose from $6.19 on January 1st to a close of $32. And I told you guys to start buying this coin in 2018 and actually in 2019 as well. But 2018, I reported numerous times that I was loading the boat in this token because I saw the value added that they were building around their ecosystem and the use of this token. So on June 30th, it had become the best performing top 10 cryptocurrency at the first half of 2019. So here's a list here. This is crazy looking at this list of top 10 cryptos that perform, and this is in percentages. So Bitcoin 189%, Ethereum 118%, XRP 12%, Litecoin 301%, EOS not too bad, 125%, but Binance dunking on them all, 424%. Litecoin rallied, it says, 301% in the first 6 months as markets likely priced in the impending miners reward halving due in August. It says here, while the $7,000 rise in Bitcoin boded well for most cryptocurrencies, it did little good for XRP. Its dull performance looks even more confounding if we take it into account that the bullish technicals developed for XRP's chart. Yeah, so it attempted its breakout in that pennant, failed, came back down, and did a full reversal and breakdown below the pennant. That's a very bearish move, just to let you guys know. To see an asset break above a pennant and then break back below is very bearish. It says the failed breakout invited more selling, and the cryptocurrency fell to 37 cents earlier today. So I guess my question to you guys is, do you think projects like JPM Coin or other central banks developing their own cryptocurrencies was the catalyst for lack of price movement in this coin? I mean, I personally think it was the JP Morgan thing, and also it could be that, you know, XRP or Ripple, I should say, have been selling a lot of their coins internally for marketing purposes. So I don't know. You guys let me know. But I think fundamentally, XRP is a losing coin long term. On the short run, who knows what can happen? You know, people can FOMO things for various reasons. You can have pumps, coordinated pumps and dumps, all that type of stuff. But over time, the fundamentals have to price in the correct price, and the market will price in the correct price for any asset. So it's just about, like, do you want to hold on like indefinitely? And if you're one of those people that don't know how to control your emotions, it's probably best that you exit, because you'll never exit. You'll never exit because you're always going to think it's going to go higher. Meanwhile, the fundamentals over time will price in a lower price for that asset. So we'll have to see what happens here. You guys let me know your thoughts about that. But that's pretty much it for today, ladies and gents. That's my 2 Satoshis. Shout out to my man John Hill again for this crazy song request. Cisco, Thong Song. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell, retweet, reshare, all that good stuff. That helps the channel grow. I'm out of here, people. Holla.